what's going on YouTube? Today I have here brand new Audi S5. We're gonna do the PPF on it. So I'm gonna teach you in this video how to remove the door handle of the D series. I think A5, S5 or A4 from 2000 end of the 18 over, all gonna be at the same way. It's a little bit different than other door handle, but if you know, it's simply very easy. Actually, I like it. So I recommend it before I start. First, put some kind of the leftover or scrap film. I have reason. And then grab the handle. Try to slide it to the right. Okay. The reason I say put this one because maybe suddenly you scratch the body, so you will be safe for it. If you see here having the few tabs at the top and bottom, sliding to here. So I think it's very easy to wrap. And we don't need this one anymore. And then second step, if you're watching here having the one cup, okay, you need to remove this cup. It's coming out very bad, so tight. Oi, there you go. Okay, this one, I'm gonna put it inside the door trim. And then after that, you will see one bolt T20, and then don't worry about it, just open it until it gets stopped. Yeah, there you go. Okay, and then grab this one, and then driver side having the lock mechanism, so put it inside. Then next step, let's get here. Okay, grab it with hold it with my leg, and then with the flat screwdriver or whatever you have, just try to remove this piece. And disconnected the harness. I put it in my pocket. And then next one gonna be this light. For this light, do it very gently. It's very easy here to break. Same process, remove it. And now you will see two bolts, exactly same as inside, size 20. Guys, don't use the drill for sure for those things. You're gonna grind it. Don't need to fully remove it. As soon it got loosened, just stop. And then grab the handle, slide it out. Okay? And this one and this one. Okay. So now it's got free, just remove the gasket. But one thing I have to tell you, if you see here having the two rail, okay, and then inside this handle, the mechanism inside having the two rail too. One rail is for that cable, 2 seats, and then one rail for here, and then here also too. But what's the difference? For the right side, cable sitting inside and the rail sitting outside, right, left, and then here opposite way, left and right. So be careful for it, and then that's easy. And then remove the gasket, and it's done. So you can now clean it and then do the wrap and PPF whatever you want. I hope you liked it, and then you guys using it, be helpful and always be, I forgot what I have to say. Okay, anyway, And please subscribe the channel, turn on the notification. That is the rule and routine for me, all the video I'm saying. But still, please subscribe it. It's gonna be a big support to me, and waiting for the next video. See you guys very soon. Oh, if you're having any question, just comment below. I will answer by myself. See you guys very soon. Take care.